Hello students, today I am going to revise the chapter integration, that is indefinite integration, integration by substitution method. Already I have completed before. Let me do some more sums. Integration by substitution method, that is indefinite integration. See the question number 10, I am selecting the questions from different books. From 10 I am starting here. Integration x by 1 plus x to the power 4. X by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. Here you have to assume x square as u. The derivative of x square is 2x. That is du by dx. That means 2x dx equal to du. X dx equal to du by 2. Now put the value of x dx is equal to du by 2. And here 1 plus u square. Take it 1 by 2 outside. Du by 1 plus u square. The formula is tan inverse u. So what is the answer? Half tan inverse u means what? X square. 1 by 2 tan inverse x square plus a. This is the answer of number 10. As for the question given, x by 1 plus x to the power 4 means x dx by 1 plus x square whole square. You have taken x square as u. Substituting x square as u and differentiating both sides, we are getting x dx equal to du by 2. And that x dx value you have to put. Okay. Integration by substitution method. The final answer is this one. Okay. Let us go to number 11. Question given. Integration x dx by 1 plus x root over. Okay. Question number 11. X dx by 1 plus x root over. This 1 plus x root over you have to take as u. So they differentiating both sides. Dx will be du. That means x will be how much? U minus 1. This x value you have to substitute here. X dx means u minus 1 du, dx equal to du, all the function converted to in u form. Now separate. After separating, you are getting u by root over u minus 1 by root over u du. This will be nothing but u to the power 1 by 2 and this is u to the power minus 1 by 2 du. As for the formula integration, this will be u to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Here same thing, minus u to the power minus half plus 1, that is u to the power half by half. So this is coming 2 by 3, u means what? 1 plus x, put the value of 1 plus u is 1 plus x whole to the power 3 by 2. And here 2 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by 2 plus 3. This is the answer of number 11. Next I am going to number 12. Just see. Question number 12, it is given x 1 by x to the power 4 minus 1 root over 1 by x to the power 4 minus 1 root over 4 dx. Multiplying x both numerator as well as denominator, this will be x dx by x square. Here you write x square whole square minus 1. Putting x square as u, differentiating both sides, this will be x dx equal to du by 2. So x dx equal to du by 2 and here x square means u. Okay, x square means u and this is u square minus 1. Finally, this is nothing but the formula coming sec inverse u and half is taken outside 1 by 2 sec inverse x square plus u. This is the integration of question number 12 I have taken from different books for the revision of your unit test integration by substitution method. Next I am going to question number 13. Okay, just revise it. Question number 13 you see question given like this. X to the power 5 dx by 1 plus x cube root over given. This 1 plus x cube will take as u. Okay. Differentiating both sides. This will be 3x square dx equal to du. X square dx will be du by 3. This x cube value you have to put here. Extra 5 given, you make it separate x cube into x square dx. Put in the value of x cube and dx, x square dx is du by 3. After that you separate the fraction. Okay. After that what you are getting here? U to the power half du minus u to the minus half du. Okay. Normal integration formula. Then what is the result you are getting here? The result is giving 2 by 9 1 plus x cube whole to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 1 plus x cube whole to the power 1 by 2. Put in the value of u. This is the answer of number 13. Just number 14 you see. Question number 14 it is given x into x minus 1 root over dx. Let x minus 1 as u. Okay. Differentiating both sides, dx equal to du and x is equal to u plus 1. X is equal to u plus 1. Okay. Now put the value of x, this one, u minus u plus 1, and this is nothing but u root over. Now open the bracket. What will get here? U to the power 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2 du plus u to the power half du. Normal formula, the formula is what? X to the power n dx. The formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. I am applying the formula this one, okay? The final answer is 2 by 5 x minus 1 whole to the power 5 by 2 plus 2 by 3 x minus 1 whole to the 3 by 2 plus. Question number 15. X into x square minus 1 root over dx. Let x square minus 1 as u, 2x dx equal to du, x dx equal to du by 2. This x and dx it will be du by 2, and this is nothing but u root over 1 by 2. Take outside u to the power 1 by 2 du. Normal formula is what? U to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. That is final answer 1 by 3. Put the value of u, that is x square minus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. Today I have started from number 10 to 15 I have completed. Total 6 sum I have completed today. Integration by substitution method. Today is the final revision. From Monday I will continue more syllabus for your coming field exam. Thank you for today's class.